In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently back up your Binance Web3 wallet. We'll dive into the nuances of what backup means in the context of this non-custodial wallet, and I'll show you how to do it through both cloud and QR methods. Alongside that, we'll explore the emergency export feature and discuss some essential security notes to keep your assets safe. Whether you're working with an Android device or an iPhone, these steps are streamlined for ease and speed. To get started, open your Binance app and navigate to the Wallets section. There, you should see a tab labeled Web3 Wallet. If you've just created your wallet, you'll likely encounter a prompt encouraging you to back up now. If you've been using this wallet for a while and don't see the prompt, simply proceed to the wallet settings and look for an option titled Backup Management or something similar. Once you're in the backup settings, you'll need to decide which backup method suits you best. You have two choices: backing up with cloud storage or via a QR code. Let's break these down. If you choose to back up with cloud storage, you'll be using either iCloud or Google Drive, depending on your device. On the other hand, the QR code option allows you to create a visual encryption of your key share. Whichever method you choose, the next crucial step is setting up a recovery password. This password encrypts your key share, acting as an extra layer of security. It's incredibly important to store this password safely, as Binance cannot help you recover it if you lose it. Take a moment to make a note of it securely. Before moving on, you'll be required to read and accept some safety tips and security disclaimers. Don't skip over these. Understanding them is vital to keeping your information secure. Now, let's proceed with completing the backup. For cloud backups, you'll need to grant the Binance app permission to access your chosen cloud storage. Once permission is granted, watch as your encrypted key share uploads seamlessly. Alternatively, if you decide to go with the QR code method, once the code is generated, save the image or print it out. It's advisable to verify the QR code by scanning it and entering your recovery password to ensure everything is correct. Before finishing, double-check that your backup was successful. You should see a clear status or tag, such as backed up, displayed on the backup management screen. This confirmation reassures you that your wallet's information is safely stored. And there you have it. Your Binance Web3 wallet is now backed up securely and efficiently. Ensuring that you have taken these steps not only saves you time in the future, but also offers peace of mind, knowing your assets are protected.